hopes up every time. And I don't wanna be let down each road to find. I just wish I'd seen the price tag for my heart breaking. Was it worth all that waiting when I always knew just how I felt? Yeah, I'm looking back at the past and I feel regret. Don't wanna walk on the block, see where we met. Try to forget that you went on with someone else instead. Maybe it's better if I never love, so I don't have to open up, and you don't have to lose my trust every time. Why am I always getting so attached when I know that we're gonna crash? Now I wish I could turn you back into someone I never had. You were different from the rest, 'cause you didn't hide imperfections from the edge. Yeah, bet you don't even love you half as much as I want to. You're right, yeah. I'm looking back at the past and I feel regret. Don't wanna walk on the block, see where we met. Try to forget that you went on with someone else instead. Maybe it's better if I never love, so I don't have to open up, and you don't have to lose my trust every time. Why am I always getting so attached when I know that we're gonna crash? Now I wish I could turn you back into someone I never had. I can't pretend I don't need ya. I can't pretend I don't love ya. I can't pretend I don't miss your touch.
I want you so bad.
I can't go cry on your shoulder. Feel safe with you when I'm older. Just know I tried to come back for you.
I came back for you.
Maybe it's better if I never love, so I don't have to open up, and you don't have to lose my trust.
God damn it, many sleepless nights. We're still going. All right. Listen, we're going to do a few songs for y'all right now before I bring my brother on. All right? Are you all ready? Houston, give me some energy. Let's go. Baby. Easy life. I'm seeing so many beautiful people in the house tonight. Houston, Texas.
amazing night. You guys are so amazing. Thank you for coming out tonight. I love you guys so much. I'm the king for the direction never seen. I'm exactly the baby that never fail. I never sing, sleep, I never bring. I'm a king, I'm a legend. Give me love, give me love, oh yeah, baby, give me love, oh. Put me down, baby. Oh, give me love, oh. Friends, maybe be my babe. Cause I don't fall like it be like say me and you will run away. We go America. Your mommy doesn't even want to skincare routine, honey. I literally just got back. I am half awake, half asleep, but I'm still going to do my skincare. But I had fun, you know. I honestly do not regret spending that much for the concert. The concert was lit. I'm always because my roommate was sleeping. So yeah. I don't know if I'm going to be going for the after party later today. I low key do not want to, but we'll see. I don't know. I have to edit this video. I have a TikTok video to edit and upload today. I have a post that I need to make for Instagram, and I need to film another video for YouTube. So yeah, story of my life.
I'm looking back at the past and I feel regret. Don't wanna walk on the block saying where we met. Try to forget that you went on with someone else instead. Maybe it's better if I never love, so I don't have to open up, and you don't have to lose my trust every time. When my heart was getting so attached, when I know that we're gonna crash. Now I wish I could turn you back into someone I never had. I can't pretend I don't need ya. I can't pretend I don't love ya. I can't.
Okay, you guys, so I am done. I hope you guys
enjoyed this vlog, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I will see you in my next video.